This is the Woodford 10105 plunger for the Woodford models Y30, Y34, Y70, Y95, and W34. A couple things about it. It's full rubber. Let's see here. And then internally here you can see the internal threads. So this part is brass, then it goes to a rubber plunger. We'll go ahead and get a couple measurements of it from the bottom right here with the threads. You can get a total measurement of right about 3/4 of an inch, just a little over 3/4 of an inch actually. And then inner diameter right at about right above 1/2 inch. And a total length is right about 3 inches, just shy of 3 inches. And we'll measure just the rubber portion, so from here to the tip. You can see that measures right at 2 inches. So once again, this is the Woodford 10105 plunger.